Caleb, where do you want to go?
The pony. I thought I was going to get an airplane for my mom.
Hey, who are you here with, Lexi? Woo! Good job!
Mama.
Good job! More? Yes. Woo! Okay, push yourself up. Good job, and then scoot. Good job, Lexi. Now stop, turn and stop. Good job.
It's like an obstacle, like I don't know what you call it. Like the playground, like obstacle course type thing. You know?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hi, class. Why should we go down?
Who are you here with?
My husband, Owen.
Your husband, Owen. What about Joseph?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh. Okay, say bye, everyone.
Whoever wins gets to be my husband.
Oh. Okay, ready? In the camera. Let's go. How about when we get right there?
Hey guys, I had a fun day story with my little brother. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join the like button if you really like it and have some more videos of it.